So, did I record this a month ago? Yeah. Am I still gonna post it? Yeah.
If you want to get your hair to look like this, then keep on watching.
Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome to my channel. This is gonna be another first video that I've posted but maybe won't put on private. Today I'm gonna show you how I use sponge curlers to do my hair. This is my hair. I just work with what I got. So first thing I'm gonna do is you need a brush of some sort. I use a wet brush. It's really soft on the hair. And then this is my spray bottle. It's not perfume. I emptied out a perfume bottle and I have water in here. So that's what I'm just gonna be spraying on my hair. I don't usually apply any products for it. Firstly, I start off with this section. Just kind of like your bangs, what would be your bangs. So I'm also in a middle part right now, and I usually part my hair a little, so like it's like right here right now. I usually part around like right here. I do a deepish side part, so.
Now I'm just spraying my hair with water and brushing it out.
So this one is different from how I do all the other rollers. So I get that in frame, so I'm just gonna twist the ends and kind of like wrap around. And then I'll start rolling down, making sure to keep that tension. That way, you know, it's not like kind of loose at the end, but I'm gonna make sure that I'm not putting any like pulling on my scalp. I don't want to make sure that there's not like pulling or any pain up here where the roller is. So now we're gonna just split my hair in half and we're just gonna section that off. You can't work with too big of sections, otherwise it won't wrap around and you won't get a proper curl really.
Don't forget to spray every section with water.
Now I'm gonna take this section, now it's wetted, and I'm going to keep the tension and I'm going to wrap down, if that makes sense, I guess. See, I'm just like, and then I'll roll it towards me. I looked a little bit to the side, so that'll be a little bit wonky, but that's alright. Alright, and then I kind of like push it down like this. I don't know if that's really showing, but I push it down to like keep all the hair on and then clip it so I'm not clipping the sponge or the hair.
Keep doing this around your head in small sections. You may need more rollers than I use depending on the thickness of your hair and how long your hair is. If your hair is longer, you're going to want to use smaller sections and more rollers. However, if your hair is pretty short and thin, you really won't need too many rollers. Also, be careful. If your hair usually can't dry overnight, then you might not want to use as much water as I do in this. For this style, patience really is key. You don't want to make your sections too big, otherwise your curls might come out a little bit lumpy or deformed. Keep working around your head in small, even sections for the best results. I'm spraying it with a little bit more water just to get some extra moisture before I let it sit.
I usually feel this top one for how wet it should be. It shouldn't be like soaking wet, but like you should be able to tell it's wet.
Here I'm spraying my hair with hairspray to give it that extra hold, and then I'm going back in with water just to make sure it doesn't have any crunch. Here's what the curls look like when they're taken out in the morning. I'm just going to run my fingers through them just to make sure that they're getting separated nicely. Make sure to do that on both sides. And then I'm going to check my part and make sure that it's where I want it. If you need to keep your hair up while you do other things, make sure that you put it in a loose bun and don't pull too hard on the roots so then you don't loosen those curls. Now that I'm ready to begin styling, I start the brush out. I'm just taking my wet brush and I'm brushing it through my curls.
See how it's all kind of like one curl now? I don't really care much about the back. I'm not gonna see it.
Keep doing the brush out all around your head, and keep in mind that this will take a lot of time and a lot of coercing with the curls, but don't be discouraged, it will get there eventually.
And here's where we brush out the front. Oh god.
This is what the hair looks like. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in some way, and I plan on making more videos soon, so subscribe!